Hey guys, what's going on? Today I have another chess problem for you, and this is just an hilarious one, and that's why I want to show it to you. So this is a position. Unfortunately, I don't know right now who composed it. If I know when I publish this, I'll post it in the description. What's the idea here? Well, the point is that you want to do a self-mate. So what is this? What happens here is that white is forcing black to checkmate him. Okay? So black has no choice. His only legal moves are to lead to checkmating white. This is the task here. And you have 8 moves to do so. Okay? It's pretty tricky, of course. So I will guide you through it. And it begins with knight b1 check. Now the only move for black is to play king to b3. Now queen to d1 check. Only moves for black to go rook c2. And now white goes bishop to c1. Here, what's the only move? A takes b6. Okay, and here maybe we can pause. Still 5 moves to be played, and then with the 5th move by black, black checkmates white. And all the moves up until this point are forced for black. Do you have an idea? Alright, let's see. Rook to a1. Now only move b5. Rook h1. Only move b takes c4. Otherwise, black's in a Zugzwang. And maybe by now you know where this is going. You're having a feeling. So how does this continue from here? What do you think? Okay, king e1, c3, only move. Knight to g1. f3, only move, and what now? What's the last move? Bishop f1 and f2 once again is forced and is checkmate, and this is just genius, pure genius by the composer to play 8 moves and then end up in the starting position with the pieces, except for the pawns of course, but absolute genius. And you also have to consider that in this position none of the pieces by white is in the starting position, and then he moves every piece exactly once and it ends up in the starting position. I'm just absolutely amazed. This is so genius to me, honestly, and this is why I want to show it to you guys. I don't know what you guys think, but to me this is just mind-blowing. Alright, so hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and if you did, feel free to subscribe, leave a like for this video, and well, I think we'll see each other soon again. Bye bye.